Hey guys, it's Coach Carrie, and I want to just give you a prep and tip 101. If you have a jar of pickles in your refrigerator that is almost empty, go ahead and eat that last pickle and save the pickle juice. Okay, so for tonight, we're going to be doing a chicken nugget. It's going to kind of taste like Chick-fil-A, but it's going to be a whole lot healthier. And in my bag here, I just have some chicken tenders. They're raw. And I'm going to pour my pickle juice into my bag, and I'm going to let it sit there and marinate 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes, but honestly, I'm gonna let mine sit there all day long. And then when I'm ready for dinner tonight, I just throw it in my air fryer. Okay, let's see how this one tastes.